Word provides different options to create mathematical equations of our choice. To see that options, go to the Insert tab. Click on this down arrow. Some of the commonly used equations are listed here. Area of circle, binomial theorem. Select an equation to insert it. Now to create a new equation, Insert, Equation, Insert New Equation. We can use these mathematical symbols to create an equation. Integral, integral with limits, 0, pi, x, sine, x, integral, differentials, dx. Now to write an equation by hand, Insert, Equation, Ink Equation. Use this area to write the equation. See where it has detected my input as a square. Now if you want to erase anything, erase, write, a square plus b square equals c square. Insert.